not every day that we do this, but I think it's time that we do our first unboxing here on the channel. I'm going to talk to you guys really quick about this new product, and I am going to give you my my kind of first impressions as to how I think that this could be used for the real estate business, and that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right here. I got the creator combo, so we're going to open this together, and I am going to show you guys what's inside really quick. I know that there's a few other videos that do this, but then I'm going to give you guys my quick thoughts on how I think I'm going to use this inside my real estate business. Let's get it open. Okay, we have the box here, and looks like it's pretty going to be pretty satisfying to open here. Has one of these little peels, little gel pack. You can see right away that the case is here. Looks like there might be some things inside of this case. All of the manuals. Check to see what's in here. This appears to be the case that comes with the Pocket 3. And I can see that there's a spot in here for the wide angle lens and the Pro Mist filter. This is such a tiny little case. Tiny little case. Not tiny enough to go in my pocket, but it's still pretty tiny. All right, what do we got first? Looks like we have the little extender, little battery extender here. Little tiny little tripod, very similar to what you see with other DJI products. However, this one is a little itty bitty guy, just a little tiny guy. Ooh, this is the DJI mic, little wireless mic 2 that comes with the creator combo. Can't wait to test this out. This is the little extender handle, so it's kind of like the extended battery. However, it is just there for just a little extension, and there's a little thread at the bottom, so you can use this to put it on the tripod. Screws on the tripod if you don't want to use the extended battery, and you don't want it to be as big. Then it looks like we have our charging cable. We have our little dead cat filter here, little dead cat for the, little wind filter for the mic. Little wristband, which I'll probably never use. Looks like we have it here. Here it is, guys, the DJI Pocket 3. Pretty excited to use this. Let me go ahead and peel that off. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put the, I'm going to put this thing on a tripod. Go ahead and clip that little bad boy on. Screw on the tripod. Just want to know how it feels in the old hand. And there we have it. And so let's see if it powers on. Let's see if there's any juice in this bad boy. Uh-oh. Looks like it's firing up. All right, I see that the gimbal itself here is working. All right, so how do I think I'm going to use this in real estate? Well, number one, as real estate agents, we have to create content. It's part of our job. We have to create content, and the thing that I really like about this is that this bad boy is a closed system. So we're able to shoot properties, we're able to go to events, and we can kind of do you know, day in the life style content. We already have a built-in microphone, and this microphone actually syncs directly to the Pocket 3, so you don't actually have to have any receiver. You can just sync it directly to the device and clip it on your shirt, and there you are. You can create high quality audio like that. I think I'm going to use this to create real estate walkthrough videos, and I'm going to for sure put together a video to show you guys my experience creating actual real estate property videos with this camera. I think I'm also going to use it to create just the day-to-day, like I said, talking head style videos, informational videos, as well as kind of day in the life videos as well. So, oh, you know what I forgot to mention these filters here. So inside we have these little filters. I'm sorry, these little lenses, I should say, or potentially a filter if you buy the filter. This is the wide angle lens. This comes with the creator combo, and it makes it so that your gimbal, which is typically your lens, I should say, your internal lens, is at a 20mm with this bad boy. With this, it's going to make it a 15mm, which might actually be better for real estate as well. Just magnetizes here on the front. It's kind of thick, so it probably can't turn it off with this on. Nope. See, I'm already running hardcore tests here, guys. It won't fully tuck itself away with the wide angle lens on, but take it off that easy. And then that goes here in the little case. They have a nice little spot for it. It magnetizes in there. And then of course, when you're done with the gimbal and you turn it off, and that goes in here, it's just as simple as putting this away just like this. And of course, you won't have all this stuff connected to the bottom of it. It'll be a nice little tiny compact camera that you can bring with you on showings, on events, to listing appointments. You can create listing videos. It's going to be a cool little camera for real estate agents. Probably going to be the top camera for real estate agents. That's my prediction for 2024. I'm going to be making a bunch of content surrounding this camera, at least a few more videos. I'm probably going to show you guys how to shoot a real estate walkthrough video with this, or I'm going to attempt a real estate walkthrough video with this. And then we're probably going to look at how to create talking head style videos using the active track that DJI has built into this, as well as the built-in wireless microphone, which I think is fantastic. There's just so much you can do with this thing. So, all right, thanks for watching my quick unboxing video of this little guy. I can't wait to start having fun and playing with this thing. But let me know if there's anything specific that you want to see me do with this DJI Pocket 3. If you have any questions about it, put them in the comments. I will be truthful, I will be honest, and let you know what I truly think of the device. I had to go ahead and buy this with my own money. It's not like DJI is out here sending real estate agents free gear or anything like that. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.